Arkon's Pro phone stand securely holds your iPhone or Android phone, digital camera, or Pico-style projector on flat surfaces such as counters, tables, desks, floors, or workbenches. Making high-quality DIY tutorials or instructional videos in the overhead view or front-facing position is easy with the Pro stand. It is widely used by bakers and sugar artists as well as in the stamping and paper crafting, nails and nail art, ceramics and pottery, makeup and beauty, wreath design, video blogger, and live streaming communities. The top portion of the stand includes 3 highly adjustable shafts attached to swivel ball adapters. Loosening the knobs on the 3 shafts allows you to position the phone holder in nearly any position up to 43 inches tall, or down to just inches off the table surface, making it also perfect for close-up videos. The aluminum shaft of the stand is height adjustable from 17 inches to 29 inches tall. The mount arm extends out to 12.5 for an unobstructed view of what you're filming, if in the overhead view position. The stand's 4.5 pounds weighted base can be placed on any flat surface. Included in the box are the universal phone holder, the 1/4-20 threaded camera or mini camcorder adapter, and the metal stand with telescoping arm and weighted base. The mount securely holds phones with cases weighing up to 2 pounds and measuring up to 4 inches wide, including Apple iPhone XS Max, iPhone XS, iPhone XR, iPhone X, iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, iPhone 6s and 6s Plus, Samsung Galaxy Note 9, Note 8, and Note 5, Galaxy S10, S9, and S8, Google Nexus 6 and Nexus 5, and LG G6, G5, and G4. Cookie artists love using the Pro stand with the Pico-style projectors. Many opt to use the phone holder instead of the camera adapter for better positioning of the projector image. The Pro stand is not suggested for use with heavy-duty DSLR cameras. The locations you can create video from are endless. Make great videos for your YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. Top reviews from the United States. Great purchase. Totally worth it. I've been making so much more videos, reels, etc. Since I started using this stand, exactly what the ever-hungry social media YouTube monster demands from content creators these days.